Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best organic vegetable seeds is probably one of the most rewarding choices for any home gardener. Choosing non-GMO organic seeds means you're opting for vegetables grown without genetically modified organisms or harmful chemical pesticides. This ensures a healthier harvest for you and your family, while also supporting sustainable farming practices that are better for the environment. Number 5. Open Seed Vault, 32 variety pack of vegetable seeds. This pack offers 32 different heirloom vegetable varieties. It provides a comprehensive assortment to diversify your garden and ensure a bountiful harvest. With 15,000 plant seeds, it's designed to produce a substantial amount of fresh, homegrown vegetables. This supports both small and large-scale gardening projects. All garden seeds are non-GMO and heirloom. This ensures natural growth and the ability to save seeds for future planting, promoting sustainability. This seed vault serves as a valuable addition to survival gear and emergency supplies. It provides a reliable food source during unforeseen circumstances. Growing these seeds promotes a sustainable lifestyle. It lessens environmental impact while offering a rewarding, hands-on approach to healthy eating. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of 32 different vegetable varieties, ensuring a diverse and bountiful harvest. It's designed to produce a substantial amount of fresh vegetables. If you're looking to create a comprehensive and self-sufficient garden, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The seeds germinated quickly and grew into healthy plants. The vegetables produced were delicious and flavorful. The plants were resistant to pests and diseases. Number 4. Gardener's Basic Survival Vegetable Seeds Garden Kit. This kit contains over 16,000 non-GMO and heirloom seeds, featuring 35 different vegetable varieties. It's perfect for starting your own home garden and ensuring a diverse harvest. The kit includes everything you need to get started. The seeds are packed in seed packets, not plastic bags, to prevent mold and ensure seed viability. Each packet comes with complete growing and harvesting instructions. This makes it ideal for both indoor gardens and hydroponic systems. The seeds are grown, sourced, and packaged right here in the USA. It's a great gift for anyone who loves gardening. You can use it to grow your own food and store the seeds for future use. The varieties are selected for their ease of growth in most conditions, making it suitable for beginners and experienced gardeners. It's great for various gardening methods and emergency preparedness. We're confident you'll love this survival garden seed kit. If you're not satisfied for any reason, please contact us. We are here to help you with your gardening journey. What we like. This kit includes 35 easy-to-grow vegetable varieties, perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. The seeds are packed in seed packets, not plastic bags, to prevent mold and ensure seed viability. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to start your own garden, this is the one for you. What people say. These seeds produced over 100 plants per package. Love the variety of seeds to plant. Good germination rate. Number 3. Homegrown USA 55 Vegetable Seeds Pack. This premium collection includes 55 heirloom vegetable seeds. It contains over 28,000 non-GMO seeds, perfect for any home garden. It offers a diverse selection suitable for various climates and soil conditions. You can plant these seeds in spring, fall, and winter. The carefully selected varieties ensure continuous harvests throughout the seasons. The resealable packaging helps preserve the seeds for future use. These vegetable seeds are open-pollinated and non-hybrid, with excellent germination rates. They show strong resistance to environmental stress, diseases, and pests. It's ideal for organic gardening enthusiasts. The double-sealed packaging protects the seeds for long-term storage. It's a perfect kit for those seeking food security. It contains essential vegetable garden seeds for emergency preparedness and sustainable living. These heirloom vegetable seeds produce crops with rich flavors and vibrant colors. They also have excellent texture. A comprehensive digital growing guide is included to help you maximize your harvest. Each seed packet is securely sealed to protect against moisture and external elements. This ensures long-lasting freshness and viability. The resealable mylar pouch provides additional protection for future planting. The pack includes cauliflower snowball early, celery tall Utah, collard Georgia Southern, cress curled peppercress, cucumber Boston pickling, cucumber marketmore, cucumber straight 8, and carrot scarlet nonce. These are just a few of the many varieties included. What we like. This premium pack offers a comprehensive selection of 55 heirloom vegetable seeds, perfect for year-round gardening. The double-sealed packaging ensures long-lasting freshness and viability. If you are looking for a wide variety of vegetables and want to extend your harvest throughout the year, you should consider this. What people say. The seeds sprouted quickly. The plants are growing well. I am very happy with this purchase. Number 2. Survival Garden Seeds Home Garden Variety Pack. This pack includes 30 easy-to-grow heirloom varieties. It comes with over 18,500 non-GMO vegetable, herb, and fruit seeds. They are perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. These seeds are designed to thrive in all USA growing zones. Whether you have raised beds, containers, or a backyard garden, they will grow well. You can enjoy fresh produce no matter where you live. The crops offer a fast growth cycle. Some, like spring greens, mature in just 30 days. Others, like tomatoes and peppers, take about 90 days. This ensures a steady supply of fresh food. The seeds are packed for long-term storage. They are in labeled envelopes inside a resealable waterproof vault bag. This makes it ideal for emergency preparedness. These heirloom non-GMO seeds come from a trusted American brand. The seeds are always fresh, untreated, and quality tested. You can count on them for successful gardening. What we like. This pack features 30 easy-to-grow heirloom varieties, ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners. The seeds are packed in a resealable waterproof vault bag for long-term storage. If you are looking to ensure food security and have a reliable source of fresh produce, this is the one for you. What people say. The variety of seeds included is impressive, covering everything from vegetables and herbs to leafy greens, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. The seeds are high quality, non-GMO, and have great germination rates. I was pleasantly surprised at how quickly and robustly they sprouted. Every package has instructions on how to harvest your own seeds, which I am looking forward to trying this year as well. Number 1. Heirloom Vegetable Seeds 10 Variety Pack. This variety pack includes seeds for 10 different vegetables. They are perfect for starting your own garden and enjoying fresh produce. You can grow a variety of delicious vegetables with this pack. The pack includes seeds for carrots, cauliflower, cucumbers, onions, peppers, radishes, tomatoes, and summer squash. These seeds offer a diverse selection for your garden. You can enjoy a wide range of flavors and textures. These seeds will provide you with nutritious produce. You can grow them in your summer garden or in a greenhouse. It allows you to enjoy fresh vegetables year-round. Vegetable gardening is key to a self-sufficient lifestyle. Homegrown vegetables are more flavorful and nutritious. You can store your harvest for long-term food supplies. The seeds come with instructions for successful growing. It's easy to get started, whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener. The seeds are designed to help you succeed. We provide fresh, high-quality seeds for you to plant. We sell only safe, non-GMO heirloom seeds. They will remain viable for years if stored properly. What we like. This variety pack includes 10 popular vegetable seeds, perfect for starting your own garden. It promotes a self-sufficient lifestyle with homegrown fruits and vegetables. If you like to start a small garden with popular vegetables and want easy-to-follow instructions, you should consider this. What people say. The seeds germinated quickly. The plants grew well and produced a lot of vegetables. The vegetables tasted great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.